So hello all, welcome back to Pably, and in this video we are going to build something very powerful using AI. So everyone is talking about AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini and Perplexity. But most people are using these AI tools the wrong way. Yes, they only open the tool, type the prompt, get the answer, copy and paste it and regularly repeat this same process manually. But AI can do much more than that. You can simply create AI agents which can automate 90% of your work and do all of this in background. In this video, I'll show you top 5 automations which you can try for free today using Pably Connect. But first, let's see how these automations are going to work. So the first automation is generating the YouTube thumbnails. So I also run a YouTube channel, and for that I have created this amazing automation which is going to generate YouTube thumbnails within seconds. Whenever I am going to add the title, description and hook, instantly within seconds and in real time the thumbnail will be generated and the image URL for the same will be added in my Google Sheets. Now let me show you the thumbnail which this AI agent has generated. You can see that this is the thumbnail which this AI agent has generated. It is exactly the same according to the description, hook and title which we entered. So now let's move on towards the next automation. So our second automation is generating the product descriptions. In the spreadsheet, whenever I add the details like the product name, product type, key features, target audience and tone, instantly the product description for the same will be generated and added right over here. Not only for product descriptions, but you can create these automations to generate YouTube SEO and much more. Now we have seen how these automations will work and how these automations are helpful for you. But now the question is, how do we build these automations? So for this, we are going to use Pably Connect. Pably Connect is an automation platform that allows you to connect different apps and AI tools together and create workflows. With this, you can connect apps like Google Sheets, AI tools, social media platform, document tools and much more. And the best part is you can create all of this for free today. And without knowing even a single line of programming or coding language, you can create all of these 5 automations which I am going to show you in today's video. So to start, you have to open a new tab, go on your browser and search for pably.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pably Connect. Once the landing page of Pably Connect is open, you have 2 options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, no need to worry, just click on this sign in and log in inside Pably Connect. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. It is going to ask you for some basic details, and after that you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pably Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create all of these automations for free and try it for free today. Once you try this and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pably Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pably Connect. So now let's move towards our first automation. So let's get started with something which every creator needs, YouTube thumbnails. Normally the process looks like you open ChatGPT or Gemini, write a prompt, then you go to the AI image generator, generate the image, and then download it and upload it to YouTube. This entire process takes 15 to 20 minutes for every video, but we can automate this. Here's how you can automate this. Whenever you are going to add the details in your sheets, automatically Gemini or OpenAI is going to generate you the YouTube thumbnail which you can further add back in your sheets. Once the thumbnail is added in your sheets, your team can review it, and if they like it, they can further post it on your YouTube channel. So this is the automation of which real time I showed you in the starting of this video. So let's see how we're going to create this automation today. So as you can see that this is the automation which is create 100 plus YouTube thumbnails in minutes. We have Google Sheets and Trigger. We connected Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, and automatically it captured the details whenever we add it in the Google Sheets. Then further, using Google Gemini, we generated the thumbnail. So as you can see over here in the response, we have this URL which is the thumbnail, and then this thumbnail was added back again in our Google Sheets like I showed you in the starting of this video. So now the main question is how to connect this Gemini with Pabbly Connect. So first of all, for that you have to click on this add new action step. Search for the action application as Google AI Studio, which is Gemini. I'm just going to give you an example on how to connect this. Search for Google AI Studio and you're going to see Gemini, so select it. For the event you have to select it as edit and generate image and click on this connect. And now it is asking you to create the connection. So if you have never created this connection, go on this add a new connection and enter this API token. To get this API token, open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section and click on this create API key button. From here you can name your key, select the project, click on this create key button. Your key will be created. You have to just copy the key and paste it. Okay, so let's go back towards our workflow for that, and then you just have to paste this API key over here. Click on this save, and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Once this is connected, then you just have to select the model, enter the prompt, and then you are ready to generate the images. Not only YouTube thumbnails, but you can generate creatives and many more images. I'm just going to show you another example too. So as you can see in this workflow, everything is same. Only the prompt was changed because I wanted to generate social media creatives. That was of YouTube thumbnails. This is of social media creatives. Only the prompt is changed. Rest everything is same. So like this, you can generate images and you don't have to open your AI tool, type the prompt again and again. You once have to set up this automation and then it is going to run in backend and you can just sit back and relax. So now let's move on towards the next automation. So the second automation is generate product descriptions, YouTube, SEO, and much more using AI. This is extremely useful for business owners, marketers, and content creators. So writing content like product descriptions, SEO title, YouTube tags, YouTube descriptions, meta descriptions, marketing copies, normally people write these manually and generate them one by one using AI tools. But you can simply automate this entire process like I showed you in the starting of this video. Whenever you're going to add the product details in your sheets, it is going to automatically generate you the product description. Not only product description, you can generate SEO titles, meta descriptions, marketing copies, even SEO tags. And similarly, if you are a YouTube creator, you can generate many more different things too, like SEO keywords also. And that too all automatically. This saves you a lot of time because you don't have to write and generate content again and again. Now let's see how you can create this automation. So it's almost the same, only the one step is changing, which is this Google AI Studio. Over here for the Google AI Studio, the event is going to be generate content and not generate images. Once again, you have to enter the prompt and just click on the save and send test request to generate the product description. As you can see, I received the name, type, key features, and the target audience in these sheets, and we generated the product description using the same, which we further added in our Google Sheets back again. Now let's see how you can also generate YouTube SEO. So to automate YouTube SEO, you can use Gemini or either OpenAI too. The connection for this OpenAI is also the same. You just have to click on this connect, add the OpenAI key. You have to go towards this OpenAI API key page to get the key, enter the key name, select the project, and the key will be generated. It's almost the same. You just have to enter the prompt and select the model, and automatically YouTube SEO will be generated. So now let's move on towards the next automation. So the next automation is automatically post content on social media. This automation helps you to manage your social media automatically. Usually when you create content, you have to manually post it on multiple platforms. For example, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. This takes a lot of time. You have to copy paste the content and post it on every platform. This problem can be solved using this amazing automation. With this automation, you only create the content once, then the automation will automatically publish the content on multiple social media platforms. For example, if you want to post it on Instagram, it will be posted on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all the platforms at once. And what you have to do, just sit back and relax and see this all happening in background. So let's see how to create this automation. So as you can see, I've already created this automation where I have applied this schedule. So this automation is scheduled for every day 1 p.m. This automation is going to run every day at 1 p.m. using OpenAI, which is going to generate the image and the content. After the image and content is generated, we're going to post across all the social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. You can also add Twitter, Discord, Telegram according to your own choice, according to your own preferences on which platform you want to post this content. Don't worry, all the workflow URLs will be given in the description box below. You can copy paste my workflows and just connect your accounts and the automations will be ready for you. So let's move on forward towards the next automation. So now the fourth automation is extract details from documents using AI. Businesses deals with lot of documents every day like resumes, invoices, application forms, contracts, and PDF files. Usually someone has to open these documents, manually read them, extract the information, but AI can do this automatically for you. For example, whenever a document is uploaded, AI instantly extract the details like name, email, phone number, address, invoice amount, order details, or details which are important, and add them into your spreadsheet. This is extremely useful for businesses because it removes the manual data entry work. This can not only help you to save time but also errors of copy pasting. So let's see how this automation can be created. So you just have to connect your Google Drive as trigger over here. Once you connect Google Drive, you have to make sure that you're going to upload the documents in a specific folder. Once you upload the document in that specific folder using OpenAI, we are going to extract the details. And for that, you have to generate this JSON schema. If you want to learn this in detail, you can check out our YouTube channel. We have multiple videos for multiple documents on this. And further, it is going to extract you the key details which you can further add in your Google Sheets. So easy, right? So you can create this automation to extract the key details from your legal documents, contracts, resumes, or much more. Let's move on towards the next automation now. So the next automation is generate articles using Perplexity. The fifth automation is about generating research-based articles automatically. For this, we are going to use Perplexity AI because Perplexity is a powerful tool and it generates answers using live data from internet. It is a great tool for researchers. So we can use it automatically to generate articles, blogs, and here how this automation is going to work. So whenever you add your details in your Google Sheets, the automation sends the details to Perplexity. Perplexity then researches the topic and generate a complete article. Then the article can be automatically saved in Google Docs, stored in your database, or even published on a blog or website, or you can post it on WordPress too. So let's see how to create this automation. So for that, you have to connect your Google Sheets in Trigger and collect the details of the article. Then using Perplexity, you can generate the article and then you can further post it on WordPress. You can save it in Google Docs or you can directly post it on your website too. It totally depends upon you. So yes, these were the 5 powerful AI automations you can build without coding. We learned how to create automation that can generate thumbnails, creatives, write product descriptions, and YouTube SEOs. Automatically post on social media, extract the details from documents, and then generate research-based articles. This is just the beginning. Once you understand how AI automation works, you can build multiple hundreds of automations of workflows that saves hours of manual work and also saves you from errors. If you want to try these automations yourself, you are going to find the workflow links of the same in the description box below. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Thank you for watching everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.